Hey guys, I hope Youngblood or Machine Gun Kelly subscribes to this channel, because I just need them to subscribe because I don't have very much subscribers, and plus they're like my favorite artists in my life. Okay. I'm so fucking tired. Watch me take a good thing and fuck it all up in one night. So can Youngblood and Machine Gun Kelly please subscribe to this channel? This channel would be so big if y'all just would subscribe, and please leave a comment when you do. If you do, please do it. Machine Gun Kelly, like Youngblood's on top of you, okay? Okay, Machine Gun Kelly. I'm shutting it down. I'm just gonna call you Machine Gun. Machine Gun. Machine Gun is my second favorite rapper. Youngblood is my first favorite. Machine Gun Kelly. Youngblood named the song after you. I don't think you know that yet, but whatever. But please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bye, guys.